What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to Digital Knowledge again. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Facebook post drafts. So, to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the on three lines icon on the top right. Now head over to the profile. Now scroll down and here you will find your post and your location tag. So if we want to just remove it, what we need to do is just to tap on the three dots on the top right, and here go to edit post, and this will show you the place. Go there and just cross it off and then just save. So as you can see, the location tag is now currently gone. So yeah, this is how easy it is to remove location tag on Facebook. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any question regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out.